Welcome to this tutorial on how to roll over your Schwab 401k. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to effectively transfer your retirement savings from your old employer's 401k plan to a Schwab Individual Retirement Account or another retirement account of your choice. First, you will need to gather all necessary information about your current 401k plan. This includes the account number, the financial institution that manages the plan, and any current investment details. After you have that information, decide whether you want to roll over to a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. A traditional IRA maintains the tax-deferred status of your 401k, while a Roth IRA allows tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Next, log into your Schwab account or create one if you haven't already. Once you are in your account, navigate to the Transfers and Rollovers section. Here, you will find the option to initiate a rollover. Follow the prompts to fill out the necessary forms, providing the details you gathered earlier about your current 401k plan. Finally, after submitting your rollover request, it may take some time for the funds to transfer, depending on your old plan's processing times. Be sure to monitor your Schwab account to ensure the funds are received. Once the transfer is complete, you can begin to manage your investments within your Schwab account as you see fit. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your rollover process.